Hello everyone, today I would like to doing some presentation about um, machine learning. This is the practice 3. But before we going to start that, let me introduce myself. My name is Yanki Janavitisya and or you can call me Eza. And I'm from class A with NEM 2023-32035. Let's get to the practice. We need to open the Jupyter like I already doing in here. As you can see, for the first line, you need to import all of the language of the machine. In here, we're using pandas as PD, NumPy as NP, Seaborn as NS, SNS, and matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. We need to talk about the pandas until the matplotlib first. Like the past practice, the pandas is for read, NumPy is for recognize Seaborn and Matplotlib is for showing up the data like the visual is. Then we need to import from sklearn. The sklearn, we need to import model selection, processing, naive Bayes, SFM, and matrix. But in here, I design the naive Bayes. I just import it but doesn't use it. I'm using the SVM in here, which is it will be import as SVC, then the train test split, label encoder, and standard scalar. And the last is accuracy score, confusion matrix, and classification report. We need to read the data first. For read the data, we can type df equal period.read underscore CCV. We're using the data botak.ccv. Then we need to display it to show up the data with df.head. Then as you can see in here, it already print out the age, then the gender, the work, the province, and all of the data in here, okay? So you need to going down for checking out the data. I'm using printdf dot df.info. It was to read the data, the non-null, then count it, and the type of the data. And then the describe is print out all of the data. And the last is null.sum. It was for counting the non-null and count out to represent it to us, which is the non-null in here. After that, I'm trying to drop the null with df underscore cleanet equal df dot drop na. And doing the binary, we're using df underscore cleanet botak equal df cleanet botak underscore prop with 0.5 as type in, and the x is def cleanet dot drop columns botak underscore prop, which is the botak, and the y line is df clean botak. After that, we can doing the encode like you can see in here. After that, we need to do in the scaling. It was to scale the data with scalar equals standard scalar. We're using the X line to fit transform, and then we need to split the data with X underscore train, comma X underscore test, comma Y underscore train, comma Y underscore test. It was the train test split, and the scale is 0.3 and random state is 42. It was to like it's random 42 times. And then we can doing the SVM model. For the SVM model in here, we're using SVC. The SVC using kernel linear. The SVM model fit, we're using the X train and Y train. And the SVM pred is using SVM model.predict, which is the X line of text. And you can see the printout in here. The confusion metric is in here. Then the classification report, position, recall, F1 score, and the support. And the accuracy, macro average, and weighted average with the 0 point of uh, using average 80, 85, 81, 82, and others. Then for the printout, I'm using heat map in here, which is the heat map of the SVM. We're using SNS for the heat map. We The SNS heat map is confusion matrix using the Y underscore test SVM pred. The node is true and the FMT using D CMap is green, which is the color. Then the PLT title is confusion matrix minus SVM and the PLTX label is predicted and PLTY label is actual. We're using PLT text 0.5 with minus 0.3 nim underscore nama, the HA is center, FA is center, and the font size is A with color gray, which is this one. It was for the watermark, but I doesn't change the name underscore nama in here to show up. This is what I made, and the PLT show. As you can see in here, it was the actual predicted in this SVM. The SVM is same like this, the confusion matrix. It was same type. Yes, yeah. It was already predicted. That why it was similar like the SVM that the confusion matrix. Maybe just that I can explain to you guys. I'm so sorry for my bad English, but hopefully you guys can understand what I said and what I trying to explain to you guys. Maybe just that I can tell you guys. Sorry if I have to say something wrong, but maybe just until that. Thank you for watching.